Ask ChatGPT for the best dentist, plumber, or agency in your city. Read the reasons it gives. You will almost never hear your tagline. You will hear customer language pulled from reviews. Wait times, results, communication, pricing, honesty, and whether people felt helped. That is the quiet ranking layer most businesses ignore. SEO still gets you found on Google. AI visibility gets you recommended inside the answer. You need both. Google can rank a polished homepage. Generative engines also need third-party proof that your claims survive contact with real customers. Reviews are not a vanity widget. They are training data for who gets recommended. Section 1. Why reviews outrank your homepage copy. Your homepage is first-party marketing. Models treat it as self-description, not independent evidence. Reviews are third-party observations written in buyer language. When someone asks for a trustworthy roofing company after a storm, AI looks for repeated proof patterns. Emergency response, clean job sites, clear warranties, and owners who answer problems in public. A beautiful hero banner does not create those patterns. 50 specific 5-star reviews with those phrases do. Volume still matters, but specificity matters more. Generic praise like great service and highly recommend is weak fuel. Detailed outcomes are strong fuel. Section 2. The 5 review signals AI actually uses. Signal number 1 is topical match. Review text should mention the jobs you want to win. If you sell commercial HVAC and every review says residential tune-ups, AI will not confidently recommend you for warehouse systems. Coach happy customers to name the service, the outcome, and the context. Signal number 2 is recency and cadence. A burst of reviews 3 years ago and silence since signals a business that may no longer operate the same way. Aim for a steady drip of fresh reviews every month so the model sees a living business, not a frozen archive. Signal number 3 is platform diversity. 1 5-star average on a single site is thinner than consistent praise across Google, industry directories, and niche communities. AI triangulates. When multiple independent sources agree, citation confidence rises. Signal number 4 is owner response quality. Public replies that solve issues, explain process, and invite offline resolution show operational maturity. Defensive or missing replies teach the opposite. Treat every response as brand schema written in plain English. Signal number 5 is complaint texture. Perfect scores with 0 constructive criticism can look synthetic. Real businesses collect a mix. What matters is how problems resolve and whether the same failure repeats. Patterns of unresolved billing fights or no-shows will suppress recommendations even if your average stays high. Section 3. The 14-day review authority plan. Days 1 to 3. Audit. Export your last 100 reviews across major platforms. Tag each for service mentioned, outcome language, recency, and unresolved complaints. Build a gap list of services that never appear in customer words. Days 4 to 7. Request system. After successful jobs, send a short ask that points to your primary review profile first. Make it easy on mobile. Never script fake praise. Ask for the specific service and result only. Days 8 to 11. Response. Sprint. Reply to every review from the last 90 days that lacks a response. Thank, restate the outcome, and for negatives offer a direct fix path. This upgrades the public evidence graph immediately. Days 12 to 14. Align the story. Update your services page and FAQ so the same outcome phrases customers use appear in your own content. Then test. Ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI Mode 5 buying questions in your category. Screenshot who gets named and why. If competitors win on review language you never earned, you now know the homework. Do not abandon SEO. Keep ranking on Google. Add the proof layer AI needs so the model can defend recommending you out loud. Get your free AI visibility score at scope.online. It shows where your brand is thin on third-party proof, how review and listing signals look from an AI perspective, and which gaps to close first. Check your score, build real customer evidence, and stop letting competitors own the quotes AI repeats about your market.